One day while walking through the jungle, he finds a rare black dragon trapped in a net the day before he shot blindly into the sky. Determined to prove that he is not a coward and not afraid of dragons, he pulls out his knife and prepares to kill it. But when he looks into the dragon's eyes, he cannot go through with it. Instead, he decides to free the dragon, cut the rope and freed the dragon. At first, the dragon tries to attack him, but realizing that the boy had rescued it, the dragon stops. It attempts to fly away but quickly falls. One of its wings is torn and it can't stay in the air. The dragon is not simple dragons but rare and most powerful dragon, the Night Fury.